Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to connect your smartwatch to your Google Fit on your mobile phone. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into. So guys, the first thing you have to do is go ahead and open up, and before that you want to download the Google Fit application on your mobile phone, and after opening it up guys, go ahead and log into your account. So after logging into your account, now you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Google Fit, where you can see all the sections that you can access, such as the home section right here. You have the browse section, you can see your journal where you can see all your past activities, browse, profile where you can enter in your info, and so on. So guys, after logging into your account, now the next step is to download it on our smartwatch. So we will do that guys by going to our smartwatch, which is going to look something like this, and opening up the Play Store application. So guys, go ahead and open up the Play Store, and after opening up Play Store guys, just go ahead and download Google Fit like you would normally on a mobile phone. After downloading it guys, this will now appear as an application. As you can see, here is the Google Fit application, and now we want to go ahead and open up the application. So after opening up Google Fit guys, just go ahead and log into your same account that you are using on your mobile phone, and after logging in guys, this will now automatically pair your two accounts. So everything you do with your smartwatch is going to be able to be tracked by here on your mobile phone. And if you want to make sure they are connected, just go to your profile section right here at the bottom of the corner and click on the settings icon at the top of the screen, and in settings you want to just go ahead and see settings for other devices, where you can see all of your connected devices to your phone. As you can see, currently I do not have any devices, but if you do have one, it's going to appear right here. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.